Salvo. Oh. Yeah. Guys, can you see the packaging of this phone? This is lovely. Oh. Yes. Oh. Okay. Oh. Look at the tab. Vipro. This one is so nice. See, need to charge 24 hours before the first use. Okay, let's see what's inside this side. Oh, charge a pen. I don't know what this thing is used for. Maybe later on I'm going to figure it out. So this one is a charger. Well, the charger is quite small, if this should be a charger. And this one is the cover pack. Oh, the phone has a keypad. Oh, okay. I think you can connect this. You can connect this to the iPad, and this is going to serve as a mini laptop. Yes, I guess. I'm going to figure it out. So, wow, this is so nice. This is the pack. Comes with a keypad, and this is the kit. The same port where you can add different sizes of SIM card, and the needle for inserting and removing the SIM card. Why is an extra screen guard, screen protector. So this one already has a screen protector on it. So already have a screen protector. This is going to be for later use, and all I have to do is just to peel this side off. Then the main screen is behind it, so that'll be later. What do we have here? Okay. Wow. It comes with an AirPod. Wow, this is so nice. Okay, I think this should be the AirPod charger. This should be the AirPod charger. Yes. This should be the AirPod charger. Wow. Okay. Here is the charger and the cord. The charger and the cord. Charger head. So guys, this phone is really nice. Okay. So first time ever. Then wow, Vipro. Wow. Let's see how the camera looks. Looks so bright. So it has calculator, Google, all Google apps is here. Play Store, music, play music, play movie, photos, Google. Like, guys, this one is so nice. So I'm so happy for my daughter. So happy for her.